family. If you're new with us, welcome to our channel.
And if not, welcome back to the pack.
We are the Jam Pack family. So today we finally going to be doing the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich.
I heard the spicy was the only one working.
This is the spicy sandwich right here. I got me some red beans and rice.
You?
No, we can share. I didn't want that much.
She said me some.
No, look, I even got 2 forks.
They just put 2 forks in there.
No, I put the forks in there.
Oh, you went in?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
So, you guys, we got some red beans and rice. I only got a small. I'm really not even hungry. I'm really just testing the sandwich. I'm really not hungry. I'm really just testing the sandwich at this point. But,
ooh,
yeah.
These look good.
Oh, we got some Gatorade.
Some Haterade.
She didn't know he was walking to the bathroom. Okay. So, let's open this up. Well, you already opened yours.
Mine look like it.
No, I think it's a breast. Or no, it's a thigh. It's a thigh. It's not a breast. Like most of them is. It's a thigh.
Oh, it's a thigh breast?
Yeah.
On the thigh?
Yeah. So, here's the sandwich. It's like super buttery.
Yeah.
This is it right here. You can see.
Pickles, sauce, and chicken.
Okay, I want some of this red beans and rice.
You can't take a bite of chicken, huh?
I was really waiting on this. No. Sorry if you hear that noise in the background. Our kids are...
Can't stay in the room. That's all it is.
Yeah. So.
They just had to see what video was on. You didn't get the right ones.
What?
It's the wrong ones.
Okay. So, I thought you wanted to wait, so you just had to get some because I had some?
Yeah. That's all I need. I ain't even got to taste the chicken now.
Okay, can I have some more?
Yeah, I'm not stopping.
Let's see. Why is Jackson there by himself?
Because he's watching his tablet and they was cleaning up.
They could have went over? Okay.
That's all I separated.
Okay. So, let's get ready to taste this sandwich.
Hold on.
I know. I'm waiting on you.
Wresting the flavor out of my mouth. So I can only depend on this flavor.
I'm so excited on this one. Are you ready?
Hey, mine look
Finally. You ready? Set, go. How it taste? I think I can do without the pickles.
I mean, does it taste like a chicken?
We ain't got no napkins.
I mean, it really just tastes like chicken. Maybe I ain't got
It's good.
I mean, it's good, but maybe I don't have the correct sauce or something.
I can do
this
without.
just tastes like a
I can do without the pickles.
It just tastes like a chicken sandwich to me. There's nothing special about it.
No. It's good.
And it don't even taste like Popeyes chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
So you say you disappointed?
Yeah, do you know what the Popeyes chicken tastes like?
Really? It's good.
I didn't say it was nasty, I just said
I don't think the hype is worth the hype that it gets, but it's still good.
that bite was a little bitter.
I think the deeper and deeper you get to the sandwich, the better it tastes.
I think the more you eat it, the flavor it
Yeah, because my second bite was way better than the first one. They just don't get it.
Yeah. I think the more you eat it, the better it gets.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's good.
Because I kept eating, I'm like, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's really good. Popeyes, yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's delicious. It ain't spicy though. I want it spicy. I thought it was gonna be like spicy, like the spicy chicken sandwiches we had at school. Now that was spicy, and them things smack for real.
Yeah.
Like they need to try that spicy chicken sandwich against this spicy chicken sandwich, because that one, my baby, that was good.
But I don't know. It is a good chicken sandwich. It's just.
It's definitely a good chicken sandwich. It's just not. I was expecting to go, oh my god, you know. I was expecting to lose my mind, but it's cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat it but why am I not hungry? I didn't even eat that much today.
I'm not hungry either, but.
I don't know. What did we eat?
Well, we ate this morning.
I know, but it's like 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Like 6 something. It's good. I wouldn't go be
standing no doggone line out to the street. I wouldn't stab nobody for it.
Yeah, I wouldn't do all that.
I won't fight nobody for it. Like, it's not that deep.
Okay.
It had to be more to that story. I'm sorry.
I mean, it's cool.
Well, you guys, we finally tasted it. Oh, we wanted to talk to you guys about
I am
something.
a little hungry though.
Mm.
Not
But there is something we want to talk to you guys about, and that is
I'm chewing, so you got to say it. I'm not going too fast. You have to say it. I'm not going to say it with you, so you might as well just say it.
we moved. Oh, we moved. We moved. We moved. We moved. No, we moved, you guys. We moved. Why did we move? A lot of reasons. We moved. We're still in Missouri. We just moved to a different city. And yeah, so we are. I'm about to tell y'all where we was, and I'm tripping. I'm not about to tell y'all where we are, but we did move. And so since we did move, our kids is in a different school district. And you guys, we have been going through it, okay? We have been going through it. The place that we found, we absolutely love it, just as much as love the other one. And so be ready, be looking out for a house tour for that, a home apartment tour, whatever for that. What else? So we enrolled him in school. We were ready to send him to school. We enrolled him in school. And then, oh my gosh, we probably have to have a story time of what we've been going through, like for real. But anyway, so it was a lot of issues we was having with them, with this school already that hadn't even started. And we just kept hitting roadblock after roadblock after roadblock with them, with this school. And when I checked the school and the test scores and stuff, they were not amazing or just okay. They was pretty bad. But even though the area is still nice, just, I don't know, it's just where they came from. You know what I mean? Where they came from, like we used to live in Liberty. So where they came from, that was like, you know, amazing school district. But with all that being said, we are homeschooling. We're homeschooling our kids. We have like all kinds of like workbooks and math books and all type of stuff. I have a whole crate of homeschool things. We will be homeschooling at least for this last semester. So for the rest of 3rd and 5th grade for Ariani and Josiah. And then we're also going to start homeschooling Jackson for preschool. So I'm so excited. We just went and spent so much money on like a whole bunch of education curriculums and just different things here and there, pieces here and there, trying to figure out what we like and how the kids learn and things like that. So I'm like super, super excited. They start their official start. First day of school is on Monday. And I'm like super excited. The kids are excited. I just feel blessed to be able to do this. It's not gonna be just like me teaching them. It's like a partner thing. As parents teaching our kids. So it's so exciting. I'm so excited for it. Just learning about homeschool, just learning about how it works. And a lot of people think like, oh, the kids are gonna be isolated and they're gonna have friends. Excuse me, that's not true. There's ways to have them still have friends. Like even the library down here where we live, they have like science classes and different classes for the kids to come, like even just like electives, like sewing classes and like science club and stuff like that. So the kids can still have friends. I'm in a lot of homeschool like support groups and stuff on Facebook, and they do field trips and a lot of things like that. And even if like say we keep homeschooling in high school, they have like a whole prom they put together, graduation and things like that. So it's still ways to have your kids be social. So I'm like super excited to get started.
And then they got friends at church and stuff
Yeah,
like that. So.
yeah. And then we go to church like all the time. So they have friends there. So they're not like without friends. Like Ani have best friends there. Jax, Aunt Joe, they all have best friends there. So they'll be fine. So yeah, you guys, that's just a little update on what's going on with us. We moved. Look forward to that tour of this new place.
Which will probably come in December. Yeah.
What?
That's a video.
What? No, it's gonna be before December. Probably be next week. But another announcement we have, since I announced that, you announced the next one. Excuse that. We're doing
Vlogmas.
Yes, you guys are doing Vlogmas.
No, we're doing Vlogmas and we're doing something else too.
We're gonna get through Vlogmas first to see.
No, we're gonna do both.
Okay, you guys. So we're doing Vlogmas, and then we're also gonna do something that we came up with.
That I came up with. Yes, I did.
Congratulations. You want a cookie? You want a cookie?
Do we have any cookies?
No, they over there. You want a cookie?
Yeah, can you go give me one?
No, thank you. Anyway, we are gonna be doing something we call January. So you guys, you know we are the Jam Pack family, and January is right around the corner. So yes, you're gonna get 2 months of straight vlogs or sit down videos, challenges.
We're just gonna mix it.
We're gonna mix it all up. This whole Vlogmas is not gonna be just vlogs, but it's also gonna be like sit down videos, family videos. You will mostly have the whole family, definitely these next 2 months. Mostly, like it's rare that it'll just be the two of us or me, or it's mostly gonna be us. He works a lot, so I'm gonna try to record and still keep you in a lot of things. But there may be some times where he's not in it because he works.
Can do a lot of stuff on the week.
But yeah, you guys, so that's about it for right now. If you got to the end of this video, thank you so much. But please subscribe.
So you can comment subscribe.
No, hit that subscribe button. You tripping, bro? No, please subscribe. Turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss this dope.
You are.
Oh my. If you don't want to miss this dope Vlogmas.
If you don't want to miss Vlogmas or January, go ahead and subscribe.
And turn on your post notifications so that way you get notified when we upload, alright? And like this video, tell your friends, your family, your mama, your grandma, your papa, your dog, your cat, everybody to subscribe. Share these videos, you guys. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers, because that's where we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers plus. I see it. Okay.
Where's that?
It's there. You see, look.
I thought you looked up there though.
But look, because we got this, you guys went to the apartment tour. We got this long, big window, and like I could see far past the trees. I could see the sky. It's beautiful. Look at it as the sun go down.
The sun is basically down.
The sun is gone. Yeah. That's right. But all right, you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.